As an artist, a teacher, and a foreigner, I found the most beautiful and interesting things about America is that we have so many different cultures, and every culture have beauty, and we have to share and understand each other in this geopolitical world today. So I created 100 tables for my students, and I used black clay, red clay, and make them sign my name with their languages. And so this represented the races, because the tea ceremony have 4 principles. The first principle is to create harmony among people and objects also, and with everything you can. And these principles are, of course, universal. And the second principle is to respect. So respect each other without any distinction of rank or color of skin. So the third principle is purity, and the purity is represented in this installation by the white paper. And the fourth principle is the tranquility, but you can only achieve tranquility after you are achieved harmony and respect and purity.